Have you ever wondered why some people get richer and others struggle financially despite their hard working? All right. You need to understand that it's not about how much you make, how much you earn. All right. It's about how much you keep. All right. How much you save. Okay. Now, in this video, we are sharing with you 5 habits that is silently draining your wealth potential. Okay, that is silently draining your wealth potential and how to break free from these habits. Hey guys, welcome to Coin Packer, your home of money tips, crypto, airdrops, and everything that keeps you closer to your financial freedom. All right. Today's video is powerful. All right. We are going to be revealing to you 5 toxic habits that is secretly draining your wealth potential. Now, whether you like it or not, all right, you truly want to stick with me in this video till the very end. And in that last tip, we are going to be revealing how you can actually break free from it, all right, and stay focused in the journey, all right. Now, before we dive into this video fully, please, I need you to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new video, all right. Let's get started. Habit number 1, living above your means. Now, you need to understand that it's not about how much you earn, all right? It's about how much you keep, okay? Now, many people are victim of this because every time their salary, their income increase, all right, they also want to increase their expenses, okay? Their expenses increase as their income increase. All right. Now, the bad thing about this is that it kills the ability for you to invest. Anytime you get money, anytime you get your salary increase, there's this mindset that many people that comes to many people are getting to shop, buying new phones, buying new gadgets, partying, vacations, and all that. All right, blocking the minds, blocking the brain that actually trigger the ideas of investing. Okay, you need to stay away from that. Okay, now to fix this, you need what is called delay gratification. All right, practice delay gratification. Okay, now create a budget, stick to it, focus on investing first. Lifestyle upgrades can wait. Okay, lifestyle upgrade can wait. Now, moving forward, habit number 2, the fear of losing money. Saving money is good, but leaving it in an account or in a bank to rust is not a wise idea. Okay, many people are afraid of losing money, so because of this, they leave their money in a bank account to rust, a bank account that could barely even sustain inflation. All right, so that is not a wise idea. Now, how do you fix this? Okay, educate yourself, start small, whether it's crypto, stock, real estate, or legit online business. Learn and take calculated step. Okay, these things can change your life. Habit number 3, keeping bad company. All right, keeping bad company. There's a saying that your network is your worth. All right, now if you are surrounded with people who are not thinking about how to upgrade in life, you are not talking about how to become financially free, all right, who does not plan their life, all right, who does not talks about getting successful, bringing up ideas that could transform life, all right, guess what, you will eventually be like them. Energy is very contagious. All right, the vibes you get, the energy you get is actually can actually intoxicate you, and you start acting like them. Now, how do you fix this? Always audit your cycle. All right, every now and then, think, what kind of people am I moving with? How are they impacting my life? How do I impact their life? What do we do for each other? What is the use of we being friends or keeping companies? All right. Now, in one of my previous video, I said something. One of the best tips to stay productive, all right, is one. There are three group of friends you need to keep, all right. Now, these friends or these people are: one, people you are more than, all right, people you are in the same level with, and people you are that is above you, all right. Listen again: people you are more than, people that you are that is above you, and people that you are in the same level with. Okay, now why do you need this set of people, these three set of people? Now the ones you are in the same level with, all right, you use it to measure yourself, all right. You need to use it to measure your productivity, your positivity, your engagement, your life, your growth, all right. Now, as you measure yourself, you always want to improve, all right. When you see them improve, you want to improve, all right. Now, the ones above you are like a goal to you, all right. They are your light, they are like the pictures of already achieved result that you are working to get, okay, that you are working to get. So you keep, they are there like your mentor, all right. They guide you, all right, to get to where they are. And now, the ones you are above, or you are more than, what you need these people for, you need these people to be like a push to you. How do you make them a push? Now, whatever you are learning or whatever you are getting, all right, you look for younger ones who you are also either you are mentoring them, or you see them that they are also working to get to where you are, all right, and you are working to get to where somebody is. Okay, now you use them as a push, all right. As you are mentoring them, as you are teaching them, as you are advising them, this thing keeps building them, your mindset to be strong, all right, to be able to overcome different stages, all right. No, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so that is the audit your cycle. Follow successful people, whether online or physically. Keep good communication that has to do with financial growth, building your life, all right, giving yourself and achieving success, all right. These are the kind of communication you need to be keeping, you need to be having with people, or people who talks about what's the next thing, what's the next trend, what is happening, how do you get there, how do you make use of the information that are present now, how do you upgrade, how do you scale, all right. These are the kind of people you want to keep. Habit number 4: lack of financial education. Lack of financial if you don't learn how money works, all right, you will work for money forever. That's one thing people don't understand. People go to school to learn how to work for money, how to work and get money, and all of that. All right, but for you to understand how money really works, and the things you educate yourself on by yourself. All right, you need to learn. You need to understand. That is the reason why you need people that are above you, people who are in that level that you want to get to. All right, you need to understand. You need to learn how they were able to get there. How are they working? What are they doing that is giving them results? Now, let's talk about how to fix this. All right, you need to make learning an habit. All right, learn financial habit. You need to learn. You need to make it an habit to read financial books. Read financial books. Watch video like this one that you are watching now. Videos that talks about money, that talks about growth, that talks about financial scalability. All right, you need to watch creators who is teaching money. All right, who is teaching how to grow wealth, how to grow your money. Okay, why you need this? Because knowledge is leverage. All right, knowledge is leverage. Nobody that has knowledge, that is a waste. Habit number 5. Before we talk about this, please let me remind you again: if you are watching this video to this extent, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. All right, this will always support us. All right, we can always bring up videos like this to you. Okay, let's get to it. Now, habit number 5, all right, which is procrastination. Okay, waiting for the perfect time is actually costing you real money. The time you are taking to wait, you are actually losing out. There's a saying that there is no perfect time than starting now. If you cannot start now, if you cannot start now, the tomorrow you are promising yourself that you will start, the tomorrow may likely come and you will not start. You will still put it to tomorrow. Because there's one thing with tomorrow, it never ends. It never ends. It keeps coming. Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. There is always tomorrow. The only thing that always passes is now. Once you miss now, it's gone. You'll be waiting for tomorrow. Tomorrow will come, you will still likely miss the same now of that tomorrow you are waiting. So the best time to start is now. All right? Now. Now is the best time to start. Now, I understand that many people say, I will invest next month. I will invest tomorrow. All right? I will start saving next month. I will invest tomorrow. But one thing they don't understand, that every time that you miss, every time, tomorrow never comes. All right? Every time that you miss is a missed opportunity of growing wealth. All right? Every time you miss, every time you postpone, is a missed opportunity for growing wealth. All right. Now, how do you fix this? How do you fix this? Start now. The moment it comes from your heart, the moment it comes from your mind, start it. The moment you have a thought of it, start working. Start working. Start working. And you must understand what a result don't come instantly. Result is something result come. Successful result come. All right. In an action that you take consistently. All right. You need to keep doing it. You need to be doing it. Like, keep doing it. Just be doing it. All right. That is how you get results. You don't do something once and expect results. You don't just do it and accept results immediately. No. You need to start now and keep doing it. All right. That's the difference. You are starting now is another thing, but you need to keep doing it. That's the ultimate. Okay. That's the ultimate. That's what you need to start doing. All right. Another thing is, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be expert in it. All right. You don't need to start small. Start as best as you can. All right. Start as best as you can. Over time, you can begin to level up. By then, the system has gotten to you. All right. You have understand your body system has, gotten the old style. All right, your system has adjusted to that lifestyle, that system of getting to do something, building up something, creating something, making something. All right, that system is already part of you. All right, by that time you start to level up. All right, you start to level up. Take for an example, when I started my YouTube channel, all right, at first I was just creating video because let me start uploading, let me start putting something out there, all right, so that it will get to a point whereby it will start making money for me, all right. But over time, when I begin to grow, when my subscriber begin to grow, when I start to receive comments in the comment section, I begin to understand that it's not about me just posting video. All right, it's about actually giving people what they want. All right, now, and I see it as a responsibility to give my subscribers what they want, to give them the best, all right, that they can get. All right, the moment you start having this energy, having these people around you, and I have it as a responsibility, okay, to keep my subscribers with good content. All right, when you start getting all this, you start having to think to upgrade. All right, that is why if you notice that the kind of video I am uploading now is different from the kind of video I was uploading before, because it has come to me, it has done to me that I need to start, giving you guys the best I could give. that is all we have for today. You need to start up now. This is a wrapped up now. If any of these habits hits you, okay, well, that's a good thing. Okay, that's a good thing, because awareness is the first step to change. All right, now I want to hear from you in the comment section which one of these habits that you are working on breaking right now. And you must understand that I always attend to every comment in my comment section. Now, if any of this habit is one of the habits that I was struggling with, I will be able to relate with you and give you a guide on how to break free from it. Now, remember, success is what you build on small, consistent step. That is what success is. You don't need success is not something that comes immediately. It's what you build on small, consistent step. Right now, starting start changing now. Right, start changing one habit at a time. You can't do everything at the same time. Start changing one habit at a time, one step after another, one step after another, one step after another, and you will see that before you know it, you are on your way to financial freedom. All right, now see you in the next video. Bye guys.